Hello, welcome back. So today I brought you a nice good little problem and a nice usual idea, and this idea is so common and often in Olympiads and higher level school mathematics. So um, let's just get right into it. So in these kinds of questions, as you may saw in one of my videos, I told you that you can use idea to prove that one side is increasing, and so by that, meaning that, and so by proving that, you can say that this equation only has one answer, and so you just test one answer and say it's true or not. And if you just find a trivial answer, then you're done. But in this question, you cannot prove that the left-hand side is monotonically, strictly increasing or decreasing, because we have a 4 minus x here and x here. And if you just test some values in it, you see that no, that idea doesn't work. So we should go with another idea, which in these problems, I will say it is the substitution that works 99% well. Substitution, is that right? Substitution, yeah. This works well. This idea works on most of these kinds of problems. So what I will want to substitute is 2 to the power of x is let's say is a. So what would be our equation? It would be 2 to the 4 over 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 17, which we say 2 to the power of x is a, and this is 16 over a plus a equals to 17. Let's substitute 17 for both sides, and we'll get to 16 over a plus a minus 17. Let me write it down. So we reach this. So let's just multiply a to this equation. We will have a2 minus 17a plus 16 equals 0. So it's so easy. We reach to a quadratic equation, and we can just do it by factorizing. We don't need the quadratic formula. So what would be our factorization? Be a minus 1 times a minus 16. And how to do it? You just have to write a here and find two numbers that the product would be 16 and the sum would be negative 17. And because it's negative and this is positive, you should use both negative signs. So this is 0. We have two possible answers, which are a equals either 1 or a equals 16. If a equals 1, meaning that 2 to the power of x equals 1, and a equals 16 is 2 to the power of x equals 16. For this, the only x possible is x equals 0. And for this is x equals 4. Guys, we found this, but as an advice from me to you is please just test your values that you gained and at the end of the problem solving. Please test them on the main problem and see if they work or not, because at most exams they want to deceive you. And so let's just test them. We would have 2 to the power 4. Let's just test for 0. X equals 0. Yeah, it will be 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power of 0 equals 17, which means 16 plus 1 equals 17. Yeah, that's right. And then for x equals 4, we would have 2 to the power of 0 plus 2 to the power of 4 equals 17, which is 1 plus 16 equals 17. And so this is also true. And yeah, that was this problem. And for your exercise, I'll write down the other form of this problem, which is here. And for this problem, the idea is what I said at the beginning of the video is to prove that one side is strictly increasing and do a trivial answer. And by that, you prove that this equation only has one answer, and that answer is your trivial one. And this is as easy as this one we solved. And so what was our main ideas was a substitution, because we couldn't prove that it's strictly increasing, prove that this is only one or two answers, so we had to just solve it. And so that was it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any recommendations regarding anything, please tell me in comments. And thank you for watching. Bye.